Now, Allu Arjun, we're being told, will be produced in court today. So after the medical check, there's a possibility he will be taken to court. This is due process. The police will have to seek from the court permission to go ahead and take him into custody. We'll know then exactly what kind of evidence they have against Allu Arjun, how many days of custody also they want. But this is the information we're getting right now. Allu Arjun is at the Gandhi Hospital in Hyderabad, where his medical checkup is being done. After this, he could be taken to a court, and there the police will seek his custody for questioning him. Now that's when we'll know exactly what the police's plan is, what their strategy is, what evidence they have against him, what's the information that they want from Allu Arjun. This even as Allu Arjun has moved to the Telangana High Court, saying, ensure my arrest is held off till Monday. And this, of course, is a parallel hearing that is happening. Allu Arjun is counting on getting relief before the police really push for custody. Because if that happens and the court grants custody, he could be in custody over the weekend as well, which is clearly what he is trying to avoid right now. Apurva is joining us with more details on this. Apurva, as is procedure, as is protocol, Allu Arjun will next be taken to court. Do we have any details of how many days custody the police is going to seek here? Apurva, you're on mute. Could you please unmute yourself?
What we are learning is that, as per the FIR, the sections that have been registered against Allu Arjun, his security team, the theatre management and their team there as well, these are all non-bailable sections. Let me remind you of the, BNS that, against which Allu Arjun and his team, FIR has been registered. We are yet to, get to know more information on how many days they are seeking for questioning him in detention. But as of now, what we are learning is that, this FIR that had been registered at the Chikatpally police, we are also getting to learn is that his security team, his security manager, he has also been picked up for questioning. He has also been taken into questioning as well. And Allu Arjun, he will be taken to the Gandhi Hospital for his medical examination, and most likely he will also be taken for the Nampally court as well for the hearing. That's what we are getting to learn. But one thing that remains to be seen is that what is going to be the action that will be taken by his legal team, and what is going to be decided by the High Court there now that, an FIR and...
Okay, first image is coming in, Apurva. First images of Allu Arjun at the Gandhi Hospital. You can see, of course, a sea of security all around him. Allu Arjun, as I mentioned earlier, looking calm, composed, cooperating with the police. And this is him being taken to the hospital for medical tests. A routine medical checkup that will be conducted now, after which he's going to be taken to court.